This is not just a car you look at, it is a presence you feel before it moves. Bentley doesn't chase speed for attention, it builds authority through silence, weight, and precision. Every curve speaks heritage, every detail whispers power. This is where craftsmanship becomes dominance.
Here, production moves slower than most performance factories by choice. Bentley relies on skilled hands for leather stitching, wood veneering, and final inspection, where other brands depend heavily on automation. Each interior is matched, measured, and corrected manually. Speed-focused manufacturers optimize seconds. Bentley optimizes decades of durability. This environment proves why these cars feel different to live with, not just to drive, long after rivals start showing age through quieter cabins, stronger materials, and consistency others struggle to maintain over time.
Unlike mass production lines, Bentley bodies are assembled with extensive human oversight, not rushed robotics. Aluminum panels are shaped, aligned, and checked repeatedly to achieve uniform gaps and long-term structural integrity. The paint process favors depth and durability over speed, with multiple controlled layers cured slowly for consistency. Many performance brands prioritize rapid output and visual impact under showroom lights. Bentley prioritizes surfaces that age gracefully after years of weather, washing, and mileage. This approach reduces defects, preserves finish quality, and maintains resale value. The result is not flash, but a body that feels solid, refined, and enduring when competitors begin showing fatigue through quieter panels, tighter tolerances, and craftsmanship few modern factories can consistently match.
Bentley engines are assembled with a philosophy that values balance, smoothness, and longevity over extreme output numbers. Each powertrain is built in controlled environments where tolerances are checked repeatedly, ensuring consistency across thousands of kilometers. While many high-performance manufacturers chase peak horsepower figures for headlines, Bentley focuses on delivering effortless torque across the rev range. This allows heavy luxury vehicles to move with calm authority rather than aggression. Key components are tested, measured, and matched to reduce vibration and mechanical stress. The result is an engine that feels quieter, smoother, and less strained during real-world driving compared to lighter, high-strung sports car engines. Bentley's engineering prioritizes thermal stability, meaning power delivery remains reliable during long highway cruising, city traffic, and extended ownership. Unlike mass-market luxury brands that share engines across multiple models and platforms, Bentley power units are configured specifically for their vehicle's weight, refinement goals, and driving character. This reduces compromises often felt in badge-engineered alternatives. Performance brands may deliver sharper acceleration, but often at the cost of higher wear, increased noise, and reduced comfort over time. Bentley engines are designed to operate effortlessly at low engine speeds, reducing fatigue for both mechanical components and occupants. This long-term approach results in fewer vibrations entering the cabin, smoother gear transitions, and consistent performance even after years of use. The focus is not dramatic sound or aggressive response, but controlled power that supports luxury, durability, and confidence. In comparison, many competitors feel exciting briefly, then demanding. Bentley feels composed every time, proving precision power is not about speed alone, but about how power serves the experience. This engineering discipline reflects decades of refinement, where reliability data, customer usage patterns, and material science influence decisions, ensuring engines maintain character, performance, and integrity long after warranty periods end, something many rivals struggle to achieve consistently over extended ownership cycles across diverse driving conditions.
Inside a Bentley, craftsmanship replaces shortcuts. Leather is sourced for grain consistency, then hand-cut,
stitched and inspected panel by panel. Veneers are book-matched from single trees, so patterns flow naturally, something mass luxury brands simulate with laminates. Each surface is fitted slowly to avoid tension, squeaks, or long-term wear. Many competitors rely on modular interiors designed for speed and cost efficiency. Bentley interiors are built for longevity, where materials soften with age instead of degrading. Switchgear is weighted deliberately, reducing rattle and fatigue. Even hidden areas receive finishing attention rarely seen elsewhere. This approach changes ownership experience. Cabins remain quiet after years of use. Surfaces resist creasing, fading, and looseness, common in high-volume luxury cars. Performance-focused brands may offer dramatic designs, but often sacrifice durability and comfort. Bentley prioritizes calm, tactile quality that supports long journeys and daily driving equally. The result is an interior that does not overwhelm with gimmicks. It rewards touch, time, and familiarity. Where others impress briefly, Bentley interiors continue to feel considered, balanced, and genuinely luxurious long after novelty fades for discerning long-term owners. At this stage, individual components become a complete vehicle through careful alignment, calibration, and testing. Wiring, electronics, suspension, and drivetrain are integrated slowly to ensure systems communicate flawlessly. Where many manufacturers rely on automated checks, Bentley emphasizes human verification and repeated inspections. Doors are adjusted by hand for weight and closure sound. Electronics are tested for long-term reliability, not just initial function. Competitors often optimize assembly speed to meet volume targets. Bentley optimizes confidence. The result is a car that feels cohesive, solid, and refined from the first drive. Nothing feels rushed, unfinished, or out of place. This process ensures consistent quality, quieter operation, and a driving experience that remains stable and reassuring after delivery. Before delivery, each vehicle undergoes extensive testing covering mechanical systems, electronics, and software calibration. Road simulations, water sealing checks, and diagnostic scans verify performance under real conditions. Software is tuned to prioritize smooth response, stable connectivity, and long-term reliability rather than aggressive features. Many modern brands release updates after sale to correct issues. Bentley aims to deliver stability from day one. Human testers listen for vibration, wind noise, and alignment inconsistencies machines may miss. Steering, braking, and ride systems are adjusted to balance comfort with control. This final stage ensures systems work together harmoniously. Instead of dramatic test track focus, Bentley validates everyday usability. The outcome is refinement that feels natural, dependable, and complete, maintaining character and performance consistency over years of ownership without unnecessary compromises. Before delivery, every vehicle is tested for mechanical integrity, software stability, and real-world usability. Systems are calibrated for smooth response, quiet operation, and long-term reliability. While others fix issues later through updates, Bentley prioritizes completeness at handover, ensuring confidence, consistency, and refinement from the first drive onward for owners worldwide.